Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix audio issue on iPhone after update iOS 17.6. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Method number 1, disable EQ setting. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, swipe up, tap on music. On the music page, tap on EQ option. On the EQ page, turn off. Method number 2, turn off and on Bluetooth. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, tap on Bluetooth. Turn off Bluetooth. Then wait for few seconds and turn on back. Method number 3, reset all setting. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, swipe up, tap on general. On the general page, swipe up, tap on transfer reset iPhone. Tap reset all setting. Enter your phone passcode. Again reset all setting in the pop-up window to confirm this process. Thanks for watching this video.